Hi there. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step on how to withdraw money from Stripe to your bank account in just a few minutes. This tutorial is perfect if you're new to Stripe and want a clear, simple guide on setting up your Stripe payout method. First, go to stripe.com and click the Sign In button at the top right. Enter your registered email and password. Make sure your login details are correct and secure. Stripe may also ask for a verification code sent to your phone or email. Just enter it to access your Stripe dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the Balance section on the home screen. This is where you can see your available funds ready for payout. To withdraw money, you'll first need to link your bank account to Stripe. Click on Add Bank Account, either here on the dashboard or under Account Settings. You'll be asked to enter your bank account details, such as routing and account number. Double-check everything carefully. This is crucial to avoid errors with your Stripe transfers to bank account. After adding your bank, the next important step is setting up a Stripe payout schedule. You can choose to get your money daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on what suits you best. This option is found under Payout Settings. Finally, go to Manage Payout Accounts under the linked External Accounts section. Here you can control how and when funds move from Stripe to your bank. Once this is done, Stripe will automatically handle your payouts and withdrawals based on your schedule. And that's it. You've just learned how to transfer Stripe balance to your bank account easily and securely. Remember to log out once you're done to keep your account safe. Now, whenever you receive payments through Stripe, you'll know exactly how to withdraw your money quickly without confusion.